What is minus 12 plus 2? Is it minus 14? Is it minus 10? Or something else? If positive and negative numbers have ever confused you, stay with me. In the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly how to add and subtract integers using the number line. And you won't be confused again. Welcome to Maths Master Class. In our last lesson, we simplified minus 12 plus 2, which equals minus 10. I know someone is wondering, how is it minus 10? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how that works, step by step, using the number line. By the end of this lesson, you'll confidently solve integer problems on your own. What are integers? Before we start solving, let's understand what integers are. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers including 0. For example, 1, 5, 6, 50. 0, minus 1. Minus 5. Minus 15. Minus 198. And so on. Notice carefully, there are no decimals. There are no fractions. Decimals and fractions are not integers. Now that we understand what integers are, let's move to the number line. Draw a straight horizontal line. Mark 0 at the center. Numbers to the right of 0 are positive. Numbers to the left of 0 are negative. Now observe something important. As we move to the right, numbers increase. As we move to the left, numbers decrease. This means minus 3 is less than minus 2, because minus 3 is further left. And minus 7 is greater than minus 10 because minus 7 is closer to 0. Even though 10 is bigger than 7. When numbers are negative, the number closer to 0 is greater. That's very important. A simple rule to remember. As we move right, the number gets bigger. And as we move left, the number gets smaller. Now that we understand the number line, let's apply it. Keep this rule in mind. If we are adding, we move to the right. If we are subtracting, we move to the left. Example 1. 10 plus 2. Draw the number line. Write the numbers. Start at 10. Since we are adding 2, move 2 steps to the right. We land on 12. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Example 2. 7 minus 3. Start at 7. Since we are subtracting 3, move 3 steps to the left. We land on 4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Example 3. 5 plus 6. Start at 5. We are adding 6. So move 6 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We land on 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11. Example 4. 4 minus 10. Start at 4. We are subtracting 10. So we move 10 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We land on minus 6. So 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Example 5. Minus 3 plus 2. Start at minus 3. We are adding 2. Move 2 steps to the right. We land on minus 1. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Example 6. Minus 8. Minus 7. Start at minus 8. We are subtracting 7. Move 7 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We land on minus 15. So minus 8 minus 7 is minus 15. And that's it. That's how we add or subtract integers with number line. In our next lesson, I will show you how to solve these faster, without drawing the number line, just using simple mental math rules. Before we end, here's a quick challenge for you. Pause the video. Draw your number line. Solve this. Minus 6 plus 4. Drop your answer in the comment section. Let's see who gets it correct. That's it for today's lesson. If this helped you understand integers better, like the video. Share it with someone who struggles with positive and negative numbers. And don't forget to subscribe to Math's Masterclass for simple, clear, step-by-step math lessons. See you in the next class.